So, hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thank you. So, how are you doing? Well?
Well.
Okay. So, today we are going to have some vocabulary practice. I'll just tell you the meaning of those vocabulary and we will practice more.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
So, everybody can practice?
Yes.
Alright. So, pay respect. Pay respect. What is the Marathi meaning of this? Like आदर देणे.
Other day.
Okay. Did you pay respect to your parents?
Yes.
We paid respect to our parents. Once again, did you pay respect to your parents?
Yes.
We paid respect to our parents. Answer in I. Answer in I. Do you pay respect to your parents?
Yes.
I pay respect to my parents. Once again, do you pay respect to your parents?
Yes.
I pay respect to my parents. Good. Pay a fine. Pay a fine म्हणजे फाईन देणे.
Yeah.
फाईनला मराठीमध्ये आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? दंड देणे. पे अ फाईन इट मीन्स दंड देणे. ओके. हॅव यू पेड फाईन टू दॅट ट्रॅफिक पोलीस?
Yes.
I have paid fine to that traffic police. Once again, have you paid fine to that traffic police?
Yes.
I have paid fine to that traffic police. Good. Okay, pay attention. Pay attention म्हणजे लक्ष देणे. Pay attention म्हणजे लक्ष देणे. So, do you pay attention to your results? Yes, I pay attention to my results. Would you please pay attention to my business? Yes, I will pay attention to your business. Once again, do you pay attention to my business?
Yes,
I will pay attention to your business. Good. Okay, pay by credit card. म्हणजे क्रेडिट कार्डने पैसे देणे. ओके. हॅव यू पेड बाय क्रेडिट कार्ड इन द बिग बाजार? Yes, I have paid by credit card in the big bazaar. Once again, have you paid by credit card in the big bazaar?
Yes.
I have paid by credit card in the big bazaar. Good. Pay cash म्हणजे कॅशने व्यवहार करणे किंवा कॅशने पैसे देणे. ओके. Have you did the shopping? Have you did the shopping in the big bazaar? Yes, I have done the shopping in the big bazaar. Have you done the shopping in the big bazaar? Yes, I have done the shopping in the big bazaar. Have you paid by cash?
Yes.
I have paid by cash. Have you paid by cash?
Yes.
No, I have not paid by cash. Have you paid by cash?
No.
I have not paid by cash. Okay. Pay interest. It means व्याज देणे. Did you pay the interest of your loan? Yes, I paid the interest of my loan. Once again, did you pay the interest of the loan?
Yes.
I paid the interest of the loan. Okay. Pay someone a visit म्हणजे कुणाला तरी भेट देणे. Okay. Did you pay your friend a visit? Yes, I paid my friend a visit. Okay. Did you pay your uncle a visit? Yes, I paid my uncle a visit. Good. Pay the bill म्हणजे bills देणे. Okay. Did you pay your mobile bills?
Yes.
I paid my mobile bills. Did you pay your mobile bills?
No,
I did not pay my mobile bills. Okay, pay the price. Pay the price म्हणजे किंमत वसूलणे. Pay the price. Okay. Did you pay the price of your last failure? Yes, I paid the price of my last failure. Good. Okay. Keep the change. Keep the change म्हणजे सुट्टे ठेवणे. Keep the change it means keep सुट्टे ठेवणे. Have you kept the change after the dinner in the hotel? Yes, I have kept the change after the dinner in the hotel. Once again, have you kept the change after the dinner in the hotel?
Yes.
I have kept the change after the dinner in the hotel. Okay, keep a promise म्हणजे वचनबद्ध असणे किंवा वचन ठेवणे. Okay. Have you kept a promise of your mother? Yes, I have kept a promise of my mother. Keep a secret म्हणजे रहस्य ठेवणे. Okay. Did you keep a secret of your financial project? Yes, I kept a secret of my financial project. Once again, did you keep a secret of your financial projects?
Yes,
I kept a secret of my financial project. Keep an appointment. Keep an appointment, it means have an appointment. म्हणजे appointment ठेवणे. Okay, did you keep an appointment with a doctor? Yes, I kept an appointment with a doctor. Once again, did you keep an appointment with a doctor?
Yes,
I kept an appointment with a doctor. Keep calm म्हणजे शांत राहणे.
Keep calm.
Okay, did you keep calm while fighting with your brother? Yes, I kept calm while fighting with my brother. Once again, did you keep calm while fighting with your brother? Yes, I kept calm while fighting with my brother. Good. Keep in touch म्हणजे
बोलत राहा.
बोलत राहणे नाही बोलत राहणे किंवा कीप इन टच म्हणजे संपर्कात राहणे.
संपर्कात.
कीप इन टच म्हणजे संपर्कात राहणे. यू कॅन से लाईक आर यू कीपिंग इन टच विथ युअर स्कूल फ्रेंड्स? Yes, I am keeping in touch with my school friends. Okay, are you keeping in touch with your school teachers? Yes, I am keeping in touch with my school teachers. Keep quiet म्हणजे शांत राहणे. Did you keep quiet in the hospital yesterday? Yes, I kept quiet in the hospital yesterday. Good. Save yourself the trouble. It means स्वतःला संकटापासून वाचवणे. Okay. Have you saved yourself from the trouble? Yes, I have saved myself from the trouble. Okay. Save electricity म्हणजे electricity वाचवणे. Okay. Did you save electricity by switching on the fans?
Yes.
I saved electricity by switching on the fan. Did you save the electricity by switching on the fan? No, I did not save the electricity by switching on the fans. Good. Save energy. Okay. Did you save energy while turning off the fans? Yes, I saved energy while turning off the fans. Okay. Save money. Have you saved money for your future? Yes, I have saved money for my future. Save someone a seat म्हणजे कोणासाठी सीट राखीव ठेवणे किंवा सुरक्षित ठेवणे. Okay. Have you saved your friend a seat in the movie? Yes, I have saved my friend a seat in the movie. Have you saved your friend a seat at the drama? Yes, I have saved my friend a seat at the drama. Good. Save someone's life. Have you saved your friend's life at the beach? Yes, I have saved my friend's life at the beach. Save something. Save time. It means save time म्हणजे वेळ वाचवणे. Okay. Did you save the time in your life? Yes, I saved the time in my life. Go bald म्हणजे टक्कल करणे. Did you go bald after the Balaji darshan? Yes, I went bald after the Balaji darshan. Once again, did you go bald after the Balaji darshan? Yes, I went bald after the Balaji darshan. Go abroad म्हणजे विदेशात जाणे. Have you ever gone abroad? Yes, I have gone abroad. No, I have never gone abroad. Once again, have you ever gone abroad? Yes, I have gone abroad. No, I have never gone abroad. Okay, go bad. It means white होणे. Did your friend go bad yesterday? Yes, my friend went bad yesterday. Okay. Go crazy म्हणजे वेडा होणे. Are you going crazy after that girl? Yes, I am going crazy after that girl. No, I am not going crazy after that girl. Go mad. Go mad म्हणजे वेडा होणे. Are you going mad for this business? Yes, I am going mad for this business. No, I am not going mad for this business. Go missing म्हणजे हरवणे. Okay, has your uncle gone missing has your uncle gone missing in Dubai? Yes, my uncle has gone missing in Dubai. No, my uncle has not gone missing in Mumbai. Go online म्हणजे इंटरनेटवरती असणे. Okay, have you gone online to check the 10th results? Yes, I have gone online to check the 10th results. No, I have not gone online to check the 10th result. Okay. Go overseas म्हणजे विदेशात जाणे. Have you gone overseas ever? Yes, I have gone overseas. No, I have never gone overseas. Alright, so we have learnt many words like pay respect. Pay respect आदर देणे. Pay a fine दंड देणे. Pay attention म्हणजे लक्ष देणे. पे बाय क्रेडिट कार्डने पैसे देणे. पे कॅशने पैसे देणे. पे इंटरेस्ट म्हणजे व्याज देणे. पे समवन विजिट म्हणजे कोणाकडे तरी जाणे. पे द बिल्स देणे. पे द प्राईस म्हणजे किंमत देणे. कीप द चेंज म्हणजे सुट्टे ठेवणे. कीप अ प्रॉमिस म्हणजे वचन देणे. कीप अ सिक्रेट म्हणजे रहस्य ठेवणे. कीप ॲन अपॉइंटमेंट म्हणजे अपॉइंटमेंट राखीव ठेवणे. कीप काम म्हणजे शांत राहणे. कीप इन टच म्हणजे संपर्कात राहणे. कीप क्वाईट म्हणजे शांत राहणे. सेव्ह युअर सेल्फ द ट्रबल म्हणजे स्वतःला संकटापासून वाचवणे. सेव्ह इलेक्ट्रिसिटी म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाचवणे. सेव्ह एनर्जी म्हणजे एनर्जी वाचवणे. सेव्ह मनी म्हणजे पैसा वाचवणे. सेव्ह समवन सीट म्हणजे कोणासाठी सीट पकडणे. कोणासाठी सीट पकडणे हा शब्द माझ्या मते फार नक्की. सेव्ह समवन्स लाईफ कोणाची तरी जीवन वाचवणे. सेव्ह टाईम वेळ वाचवणे. गो बाल्ट म्हणजे टक्कल करणे. गो अब्रोड म्हणजे विदेशात जाणे. गो बॅड म्हणजे वाईट बनणे. गो क्रेझी म्हणजे वेडा होणे. गो मॅड म्हणजे वेडा होणे. गो मिसिंग म्हणजे हरवणे. गो ऑनलाईन म्हणजे इंटरनेटवरती राहणे. आणि गो क्वाईट म्हणजे शांत राहणे. आणि गो ओव्हरसीज म्हणजे विदेशात जाणे. ऑलराईट, हॅव यू लर्न दिस वर्ड्स? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Are you cheerful?
Yes.
All right, bye bye.
Bye.
See you again.
Bye.
Take care. Have a nice day.